G'day everyone, Mark Costa here. Just wanted to give a quick demo of ClickFunnels 2.0 and specifically how you can connect a domain name to your ClickFunnels account so you can use it in any funnels and pages and funnel hubs or whatever you like within your ClickFunnels backend. So before I do that, if you haven't gone on to ClickFunnels 2.0, definitely check it out. There is a great deal happening right now as of October 2022. However, whenever you get ClickFunnels 2.0, I've got a massive $13,000 bonus package to give away with that ClickFunnels subscription. Go through right to the end of this video if you want to find out more about that. But if you want to get that bonus, use my link below this video to get your ClickFunnels 2.0 subscription. But we'll have a look at the domains features within ClickFunnels now. So domains features are under site and funnels over here, the one below the little home thing there. So once you go to that, then you need to go down to domains there like that. And then you've got two options. You can either buy a domain. So we can click here. And what they've done is they've integrated with the Google domains. And so you can just type in your domain name, ubutte.com. Didn't do that right. Okay, search for it, and if it's not available, it'll give you other options as well, and you can change settings over here to filter by what extensions you want. And once you find the one that you like, then you can just buy it straight away through this back end. Now, the advantage of doing that is that all the tech stuff is taken care of you. It's all in one place. You can buy a domain and have it up and running within the ClickFunnels 2.0 system within no time. The other advantage is that if you go through this process, then you have a one-click to get Google Workspace added to your account, which basically gives you a branded email. So you can have, if I bought ubutte.com, then I can have info@ubutte.com or mark@ubutte.com. However, if you're like me and you have more than enough domains lying around already, then you can connect your own existing domain to ClickFunnels 2.0 and use that. All right, so to do that, it's important to note here, it says enter the domain with subdomain. So it actually wants to know more than just the base level domain. So for example, I've got a domain lying around called solopreneurapps.com. So I'll copy that. And if I paste it in here, it actually comes up with an error. So it wants you to use a subdomain such as www. I kind of don't like this in some ways because I like just plain domains without the www, but we can go with that. Often what happens, if you've already got a website on the naked domain without any subdomain, then often people will have that website and then they'll connect funnels up to subdomains. So it might be go.solopreneurapps.com, or it might be buy, or it might be cart or shop or something like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to connect up the www domain like that. Okay, so it's got add this. It's got registered with name silo. If I go add domain, so I've registered this with name silo, but I've actually got the DNS settings going through Cloudflare. So here we're going to it says let's get started setting up your domain. Click start domain setup. It's got a little toggle below that as well saying, do you want to redirect the straight domain to the www, which you probably would. Okay, so you can, now what it has is there's a system here where it can automatically do all those text settings that you need to do. So we can just say continue, analyzing your domain, and it's going to detect where the DNS settings are. So it's found out they're in Cloudflare, so that's correct. Your setup is ready to go. So authorize Cloudflare or forward login to a colleague. So you can do this yourself. Very easy to do if you've got your logins for Cloudflare. The system is very much the same with other domain name providers or registrars. Just follow the steps. Now, because at this point in time, October 2022, ClickFunnels 2.0 is still, fairly new. It's still got a few little glitches in it, and there may be some domain registrars where the system doesn't work, and you might need to go through a manual process. But this seems to be working for Cloudflare, so I'm going to say authorize. Again, it's just added those DNS settings, and it's done. Get a little fanfare, so that's great. Now, it does say this can take up to 48 hours. So when you click done, it will say check for connection. You can click on that. but obviously it's only been a very short amount of time, so it says we're unable to connect your domain. So it's still propagating. So you do need to give this a bit of time. You can come back and check regularly, but one thing I've noticed actually is that the final stage is it adds SSL security to the website, and at this point in time, it looks like there's a little bug in the back end of ClickFunnels 2.0 where it still thinks it's being secured even when it has finished that security process. And so my domain, this go.marktalksmarketing.com, has been ready to go for quite some time, but still in the back end shows securing. So yeah, I'm sure they'll iron these things out very quickly over the next little while. So I'm going to just click retry. So there we go, there's connecting. So it's still going, still connecting. What I might do is connect another domain and show you the manual process for doing that. Okay, so I've got my other domain over here. It's another domain that I bought that I thought was cool, but just haven't put it to any use. It's coolscientists.com. So we're going to take that domain and we're going to add connect an existing domain. I'm going to put it in here, and this time what I'm going to do is pretend like I've already built a website. Maybe it's in WordPress or something, and I've discovered the magic of ClickFunnels and funnels for marketing. And what I want to do is want to have my funnels on a subdomain and keep my blog as it is on the main domain, just for simplicity. I mean, we could move everything across to ClickFunnels because it has all that power to set up a website, but we might want to do this where maybe we're going to say go.coolscientists.com. Okay, so register with name silo as well. So add domain. Now what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to do this the manual way. So it says you can also set up your domain manually by clicking here. So I can click there. And so this is the process you may need to do if your domain registrar doesn't nicely integrate with ClickFunnels 2.0, or you're having some kind of problem with it. Maybe you get an error along the way. So we're going to do start domain setup. So we've done this. We're going to go show DNS table. And what happens is it's a two-step process. You need to put a text record in, firstly to show to ClickFunnels that you actually own this domain. So I'm going to click on the little thing there to copy that text there to the clipboard, and I'm going to use that @ symbol here. So what I need to do is, and it's similar in other registrars or other DNS providers, you just go add record, and then you need to find where it says the list of different types of records and find the one that's a text record, TXT, and put an @ symbol here. Some registrars or some DNS settings providers, you might need to put your whole domain name in. Actually, yeah, so to show that I own this domain name, I do need to have the @ symbol there. And then I'm going to, so this is not the subdomain, we're showing that we own the overall domain. So we're saying save for that. Okay, now when you do these changes, it always does take some time to propagate those settings across the internet or for them to become visible. And so when I click refresh, it probably won't actually show that this has been accepted. Let's have a look. Okay, so I'm doing manual settings, so I'll click on that again, show DNS table, and it's got a tick next to it, so it's done. So what I do now is I can check manual setup, and then it'll give me the other settings that I need to change. So let's just, we might need to refresh the page. Validate ownership. Okay, let's go down here. Refresh. Validate ownership. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, now it's got the other settings we're going to add. So we're going to add these other settings over here. Okay, so we grab this part here, copy that to the clipboard. We go across to Cloudflare. We go add record. It's a text record again. So we go down to TXT. This time we paste in that series of characters. And then we get this really long one here. Okay, so this setting just makes sure that our emails get good deliverability. Okay, so there we go. That's got that. And then we have to have this one for the subdomain Go. So we're going to copy this. And I don't need to copy Go. It's pretty easy to remember. So now, and if you look at that, that's actually a CNAME record. So now when we go back, we go add record. We go to CNAME. And then it's going to be GO is my subdomain. And I'm going to paste in the bit that ClickFunnels gave me. Now, importantly, if you're also on Cloudflare, to get this to work, you need to get rid of this proxying. Okay, we want to get rid of that, and then we save. Okay, so that's done. Now, this is the bit that does normally take a bit more time. So if I go refresh now, and we go there. Okay, you can see there's still red, so it's going to take some time. Could take up to 48 hours for this to happen, so you just have to be patient. When it does happen, then you may, depending on whether they fix this little glitch or not, you may see this SSL still being added even when you can use that domain. Okay, so let's check that again. Has it gone through? Yes, we've got a couple of ticks, but this one still hasn't ticked. So maybe if we refresh it, we check again. All right, so that might take a little bit of time. Once it's done though, what happens is that domain becomes available for use within the site settings over here. So if I go back to overview and I've got just the one site here, then what I can do is for that site, I can actually change the domain that it's sitting on. So I can go site settings over here, and then I can choose the domain from this little drop down and choose any of those domains that I've connected to my ClickFunnels 2.0 account. And you'll find similar settings when you go and you set up particular funnels. So you can choose where the funnel is located in terms of what domain it's going to be sitting on. So you just click on that and you go through the settings and change it. Okay, so before I finish this video, I just wanted to show you a quick reminder about the bonuses you can get if you get ClickFunnels 2.0 with the link that I have below this video. So use my link and you'll get access to the 24-hour ranking system that Paul Murphy has developed. This gets your videos ranked not only on YouTube, but also on Google on the front page within 24 hours. Amazing system. That's how I managed to get this video in front of you, and it really works for whatever you would like to use it for, promoting products that you own yourself or doing affiliate promotions and getting affiliate commissions that way. I'll also give you an exclusive one-to-one consultation with me, so you can use this to get advice and feedback and talk about ways to get more traffic to your sites through SEO. I've got multiple websites to over 100,000 traffic through SEO. Affiliate marketing, we've got multiple websites earning 6 figures in affiliate revenue per year. How to optimize your conversions on those sites, so conversion rate optimization. Now, this is a limited availability, so this is only available if you sign up for ClickFunnels 2.0 after you've been with ClickFunnels for 30 days or more, because I can't give this bonus out to everyone. I really want to see that you're dedicated to growing your business with ClickFunnels, and then we can have a chat and I can help you out with whatever you need help with. There's also group coaching with Paul Murphy. He very generously does group coaching once a week online. You can ask him questions. He'll give lots of detailed feedback about how to grow your following and how to get more views for your videos on YouTube and how to get more revenue out of those videos you're posting there. And he also has a 4-day Google ranking challenge. So it goes step by step over 4 days, how to get videos to rank on Google so that you can get more eyeballs on what you're offering. So overall, this whole package is worth over $13,000. And the beauty of this is that you can take this package minus the consultation that I'm offering, but take the whole package and give it away as your own bonus when you're promoting your own products. So it's a really powerful thing that you can use to make the things that you offer online more valuable, so that you get better uptake on those. So use the link below this video to get access to ClickFunnels 2.0, and then just need to send an email with a copy of your receipt to support@marktalksmarketing.com. Just show me that you've used my affiliate link to sign up for ClickFunnels 2.0, and then I'll send you all these bonuses. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.